I have a 2014 Chevy Silverado custom back rack that I made myself for my welding business. I used 2x3 tubing, 1x2 tubing. For the tie-offs, this is solid bar, 1x3/8 running all the way across. This is a 4x3 angle, 1/4 inch or 3/16 thick. Got 1, 2, 3 3/8 bolts drilled through the angle and the truck bed and bolted on underneath on each side to hold it down. And then to haul longer stuff, I have this extension right here that I can put in the back pockets, which I'll show you right now. I don't know how good this is coming in. I got a new camera, I gotta figure out all the settings on. But yeah, right here's a bolt that I welded on a plate, and this plate goes down in this pocket on both sides. And then I have a bolt and washer that goes in this hole here. And then I can run longer material. I can put longer railings up there. It goes past my roof. But yeah, that's my custom truck bed. I'm gonna try to make more content like this and how-to videos maybe. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how it goes. I bought this new camera and got a better computer to edit videos, and so we'll see how it goes. But this is my first attempt with it.